We receive drawings from clients and they are not our standards. Snap might be off coordinates, not showing up dimensions on the wrong layer. Task for today: create a custom command that with one click can restore or set up all those drawing settings at once. I'm gonna go to the CUI and create a new command. Name DWG settings, expand the macro section. One of the first things I hate when I receive drawings, I don't have my UCS icon or coordinates. Use the UCS icon, press enter with the semicolon. I'm gonna click that now and look what just happened. The UCS icon is showing. Use the UCS icon instead of on, say origin and press enter. That will place my UCS icon at 0,0. I want to add dimensions, but the dimension size is not per my standards. We can use a system variable called dim scale. The important thing is where you see saved in. This means this is saved in a drawing. Per our standards 48 scale, it's the correct dim scale because we like to use a viewport of 1/4. Let's add that over here with semicolon 48. Another one is ortho mode. You can see here on the drawing I received from my client, the ortho is off. So let's add ortho mode. 1 will turn it on, 0 will turn it off. What about our layers for dimensions? We can add the system variable to our custom command to have it right per our standards. That's how you set up the current dimension layer. What about snap settings? When you receive drawings from other folks, again, they might be using different settings. We control that using the OS mode system variable. My number is 1571 and I'm gonna press enter. Setting up a current layer. When we receive drawings, I always reset to layer 0. Add a message that let the user know what just happened. Otherwise, they don't know if their settings were updated. Use our lazy DWG settings and boom, your drawing is set to company standards. Our current layer is 0. Dimensions, you can move to 0,0 or it's now per my standards. A huge thanks to our patrons who make these tutorials possible. If you want to download all our AutoCAD blocks, macros, files, then check our community link below.